Have you ever seen a farm that grows bugs instead of vegetables? In rural China, farmers are harvesting giant cicadas from plants. They wear colorful straw hats and carefully collect the insects by hand. These bugs aren't pests, they're food. In many parts of China, people eat cicadas as a delicacy. They're fried, boiled, stir-fried. Some are even dipped in chocolate. Cicadas are high in protein and low in fat, a healthy snack. You'll find them in markets, on skewers, and even in takeout boxes. Some say they taste even better than chicken. So, would you eat a cicada? Or would you run away screaming? Strange, crunchy, and real. Welcome to the future of food.